Hola y bienvenidos a San José State University. On behalf of the Chicanx Latinx Student Success Center familia, we welcome you, your family, and your friends. I'm excited to highlight the various ways the Chicanx Latinx Student Success Center, also known as Centro, supports Latinx students at SJSU. San José State University is a Hispanic-serving institution with 27% Latinx undergraduates enrolled full-time. This is an exciting time for our campus as we continue to expand educational opportunities for Latinx students. Centro strives to be aware of and responsive to the unique needs of Latinx student community. We are fortunate to have a strong, united, and dedicated team of students, staff, professors, alumni, and local community members who collaborate to find new and effective ways of supporting Latinx students through their undergraduate journey and beyond. Centro's mission is to offer programming and support services that are intentionally designed for Latinx students. As a result, we provide spaces that affirm our students' intersecting identities, validate their academic capabilities, develop their leadership skills, and foster healthy relationships, all while promoting civic and community engagement. All of you bring a wealth of knowledge, skills, abilities, and talents from your family and home communities that have helped you to get to where you are now. Our goal is to help you build upon these many strengths you already possess and assist you in reaching your personal and academic aspirations. So let me take a few minutes to highlight how we can support you, especially during your first year at our campus. To begin, we invite you to meet our team that includes our program coordinator, student success leaders, faculty fellows, and myself. You can find us inside the main floor of the DS Compian Student Union, which is right across from Jamba Juice. Unlike other programs, there's no application required to be involved with us. You just need to walk right through our front door and you will be greeted by one of our team members. We do our best to make you feel welcomed. We treat everyone like familia. One of our team members will ask that you sign in upon arrival. After doing so, they may engage you in conversation to learn more about you, your interest, and answer any immediate questions you may have. We know how busy our students are and the amount of time it takes to get around campus. This is why Centro has created a one-stop shop, if you may, to offer services we know are instrumental to student success. Now, let me highlight a few of these support services and opportunities for you. One of our most utilized services is the Centro space itself. It's a great space to study, take a break in between classes, have your lunch, and build community with peers, staff, and professors. If you're lucky, you might even get a free lunch if it happens to be one of those days we hosted an event, because we all know that comida brings community together. Secondly, our student success leaders and in-house professors, known as faculty fellows, hold weekly office hours inside Centro. You can access them on a drop-in basis. The success leaders can help you explore campus life and the various ways to be involved and feel better connected. Given their own experiences as Latinx students at SJSU, the success leaders offer tips and strategies that they have found to be helpful in navigating the university, especially as it pertains to the unspoken norms and expectations. They can also refer you to a specific staff member or professor for additional support and offer to walk you to their office location so you don't feel pressure to do it alone. In fact, we have many professors in addition to our faculty fellows who also hold office hours at Centro. From computer science to Chicana and Chicano studies, professors are interested in connecting with you. When meeting with our faculty fellows, you will learn about effective academic skills and strategies, such as time management, tips on how to develop positive connections with all of your professors, information on graduate school, career paths, undergraduate research, and other opportunities related to your goals. A regularly used service is academic advising. In partnership with the College Student Success Centers, you can connect with an academic advisor inside the Centro to receive guidance and support with any questions related to your academic progress. Not only do they ensure you are taking the right set of courses towards your degree, but they are essential connections to other opportunities that can support your personal, academic, and career-related needs. You can meet with the academic advisors on a drop-in basis, no appointment necessary. Now, balancing work, school, and other responsibilities is a reality for many Latinx students at SJSU. Your overall well-being and mental health is important to us, and this is why we've partnered with the Counseling Psychological Services Department, also known as CAPS, to offer personal counseling to help you better manage your mental, emotional, and behavioral well-being. Students who have met with our CAPS liaison have expressed feeling better equipped to manage their academic performance. Our liaison also holds group counseling meetings and offers various workshops to meet Latinx student needs. Lastly, our Career Center advisor holds weekly drop-in office hours to assist you with building a resume or cover letter, mock interviews, major and career exploration, finding an internship or job, and learning how to network effectively. These are just a few of our most utilized services that we offer to support Latinx student success. Whew, that was a lot, right? But wait, there's more. Aside from our services, we also develop programs and events to engage our students and help them feel better connected to our university. Events such as our Fall Welcome, Student Leadership Retreat, our Faculty Student Dinners, and our popular end-of-year Pozole Study Night. That's right, we know that one hits the spot. These are just a few ways Centro creates opportunities to build community. Additionally, we can connect you to the many Latinx student organizations on our campus, such as Mecha, Grupo Folclórico Luna y Sol, Nuestra Gente, and the Latino Business Student Association, just to name a few. At this point, should you have additional questions for us, you may contact us via email or by visiting our social media accounts. One of our team members will get back to you as soon as we are able to. We invite you to be a part of the Centro community. We need you. Our students' contributions and presence is what makes Centro a unique and special place. Thank you for spending some time with me to learn more about the Chicanx Latinx Student Success Center at SJSU. On behalf of the Centro team, we wish you well, and remember, si se puede.